Alright guys, so the recording has started right now. Nay is gonna dress me up as a girl. Well, at least doll me up in makeup as a girl. So, that's gonna be happening right now. I'll probably upload this as a video too, because I am recording it, so I might as well. But yeah, Miss G dropped the 50 euros here on the stream. And as a man of my word, I told you guys that I'd let Nay do it. Let's go full camera for this. Oh boy. Here we go. Let's let the process go down.
When I get chills at night, I feel it deep inside. Without you, know how to satisfy, keeping the tempo right. Without you, pictures in my mind on replay. I'm gonna touch the paper. I don't have to scream my name, scream my name.
Alright guys, this is it.
Close and personal.
This is it. Enjoy it. I got the freaking long eyelashes. I got the hot pink. Wow, this was a lot of torture.